Hello, my third grade friends, and we are doing week 12, day 2 math review. Expectations, 10 minutes of work. You're correcting it. There's a secret word, and you'll turn it in with a clear picture. Okay, let's get started. There are 8 bicycles available for rent at the bike shop. Each bike has 2 wheels. How many wheels all are on the bikes that are available to rent? Write an equation and solve the problem. Okay, so, well, I have 8 bicycles. Okay, these will be my bicycles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They each have 2 wheels. Okay, so basically I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups of 2. And if I counted them, or if I know 8 times 2 is 16. So there's an equation and how we would solve that. Round each number to the nearest hundred, then add. Okay, so this is a two-stepper. So when we're looking at hundreds, we have to look at the tens spot. So here's our numbers. Okay, so if I am rounding, so the tens spot for right now is in the center. 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, leave it alone. So 1, is it above or below 5? Hopefully you said it was below. So if this is going to round 112, if we're rounding to the hundreds, is going to round to 100. Okay, so you notice that the 2 zeros match the 2 zeros over here. 208, okay, is 0 above or below 5? Hopefully you know it's below. So it's going to round down to 200. Again, 2 zeros. We're rounding to the hundreds, the 2 zeros right there. Now if we add these two together, 100 plus 200, this is going to be about 300. So hopefully you got that. What time is shown on the clock? So first we need to look at the shorthand. The shorthand is right here. Now it's past the 1 but not quite to the 2. So I know that it's 1 o'clock of something. Now the minute hands. Okay, so if I count this by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it looks like it's between 30 and 35. Now, this is where I've got to, okay, here's my 30, here's my 35, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'm going to say this is 131. Okay, so the longhand is not referring to the 6 or the 7, but remember you have to count by 5s and then identify the individual minute. Okay, now watch this. If you have 10 or 7 groups of 10, okay, it will be, whenever you have 10 and then times 7, it just becomes 70. So the 7 times 1 and then you add a 0. So 8 times 10 or 10 times 8, you just take the 8 and you add a 0. So it's 80. Hopefully you already know what 10 times 9 is. You take the 9 and then you add the 0. Or this would be 10 plus 10 plus 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what that equals. So you could skip count by 10. So let's skip count by 10 for this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Hopefully you understood how I got that. Or the little trick is whenever it's times 10, you just, whatever the number is, you add a 0. Okay, the word of the day is going to be snowflake. Okay. Please get this corrected. If you have any corrections to make, take a picture and submit it online. We'll talk to you later.